Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. There are some moments in life that are private, sacred, between husband and wife, but even in the most private of moments, Islam gives us guidance, light and protection. Today's video is not just a list, it's a reminder, based on real hadith and real life wisdom about what the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned us never to do during intimacy, because for some, not knowing these things has led to spiritual harm, emotional coldness, or even supernatural consequences. Before we begin, write, "Oh Allah, protect our marriages" in the comments, like this video, and subscribe, because even private acts deserve divine light. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If any one of you says before intercourse, Bismillah, Allahumma jannibna ash-shaytan, wa jannib ash-shaytan ma razaqtana," then if they are destined to have a child, shaitan will not harm that child. Sahih al-Bukhari. So many Muslim couples begin this act without any remembrance of Allah. What happens? Children born may have behavioural issues, shaitan may whisper to either partner, the bond loses barakah, blessing. It's a simple dua, but it could change your child's future. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam instructed that images with faces, humans or animals, should not be in the room during intimate acts or even salah. Angels do not enter a house in which there is a dog or an image. Sahih al-Bukhari. Some couples have framed photos, toys, or even TVs displaying human faces while being intimate. This opens the door to shaitan's gaze. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Among the worst people in the sight of Allah on the Day of Judgment is a man who approaches his wife and she approaches him and then he spreads her secrets." Sahih Muslim. Intimacy is not a performance. It is not content for your friends or social media. It's a private worship between two hearts. Avoid sharing bedroom secrets with others. Loud talk that can be heard outside the room. Joking about private acts in public. Scholars have stated that facing the qibla during intercourse, uncovered and with no valid reason, is discouraged, out of respect for the direction of prayer. Some companions even used to change the bed's direction to avoid this. Even in private acts there is modesty and adab, because angels still witness us. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When one of you has intercourse with his wife and wants to sleep before taking a bath, he should perform wudhu." Sahih Muslim. If not ghusl immediately, then at least wudhu before sleeping. Why? It protects your soul in sleep, prevents shaitan's whispers, keeps you spiritually pure in case of sudden death. Many nightmares, anxieties, and disturbances at night are not psychological. They are spiritual. A simple wudhu could protect your entire household. A sister once wrote to a local scholar. She said, "Every time my husband and I were intimate, I felt dirty, not just physically, but spiritually. I would get headaches, cry without reason, and dream of being watched." The scholar asked her, "Did you ever say Bismillah before?" She said, "No, we never knew." From that day on, they followed the Prophet's dua. The nightmares stopped. The crying ended. She said, "It felt like light had returned to our home." Dear brothers and sisters, intimacy in Islam is not shameful. It's not dirty. It's ibadah, worship, when done with the right heart. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us everything, even how to love in private, so that our homes can be full of mercy, peace and protection from harm. If this video opened your eyes, comment, "Ya Allah, bless our marriages and protect our homes." Like this video, subscribe for more powerful Islamic reminders that protect the heart and soul, and share this with a spouse, friend or newlywed couple who needs to hear it. Until next time, stay modest, stay mindful and stay guided. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.